rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
No, I had to come see you.
How are you?
All right, all right. What you got running here this time? You had something different in here at one point, didn't you?
DC.
Okay, that's what it was. Okay.
Yeah, the subs are still the same.
Okay.
They're still the X15. But 9K Wolfram went to, and then all the down for sound.
All the matches. Oh, yeah. Hey, I see them little ones back there.
The little ones? Yeah, those are for my horns.
They do pretty good.
They are. They really are. They give me a lot of power, so I got 78 mids and highs, so.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you do the demo, doing demos every time now. Okay, well explain it all. You demo it?
I'll demo.
Okay. You had those doors done last year.
No, they're newer.
I thought it was. I didn't see them back there.
Yep. Went from 40 speakers to 78.
You got some on the bottom, Are you in with that car yet? Okay, stay away
I
from
used to
that.
have them in the wheel wells.
You went that far with it?
We just did the pods on the pods.
The thing about planning like this, you don't have to worry about breaking everything. There's a wooden without a wooden wheel bit.
I don't even have it. That.
I want to try to get away with doing that where I can just play it with it open. I don't have all this or nothing, but I just got regular door speakers. But it just saves the windshield and stuff.
Put the pressure out.
Yeah, that's what you do. I'm going to try to get away with it.
I'm about to push this forward though.
Nah, you ain't.
And I'm going to go with 29K.
How old are you?
615.
Okay, so might as well, ain't it? Might as well. Might as well. I already got one.
still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.